Hi guys, so today when I was working on my next video, which is a DIY video for soaps, I got this in the mail, which is the Play by Sephora subscription box. And inside you get a variety of products to test out, and usually most of those products are sold by Sephora. I'm not very makeup savvy, so this is a great opportunity for me to just try out some new products and see what I like. This is my first subscription box, so I'm dying to see what I got. Here we go. Whoops. So, you open it up, and inside you get their little card that says October 2016, the Cool Cut Play by Sephora. Yeah, this is the October box. Oh, cool. So basically, I think they give this every month in your box, and you get 50 extra beauty insider points with any purchase when you show this card to them. So that's a nice little bonus. And inside they tell you all the stuff that they're giving you. I'm not gonna open that up just so we can see what we got by surprise. Oh, I love this bag. It's the Lipsticks and Chill bag. First I have, this Smashbox. It looks like what is that called? I'm thinking lip gloss, but it's not. It's liquid lipstick. I can just add a little swatch there. So it's like a pinky coral color. Then we have this Blink Mascara Amplified. Stop painting your lashes, tube them. I love the packaging. It says only water slides tubes off lashes. So here's the mascara without the seal, and it's the Blink Mascara Amplified in black, and that's how it looks like. Then I have this Believe in Truth, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So it's a little hydrating cream. It's like a very, very dull blue, very, very almost white, but on the camera it looks like it's a baby blue color. So I like the little lid too. It's kind of funny. It's like a little top hat. Then you get the Christophe Robin Mask Regenerant with rare prickly pear seed oil. Ooh, prickly. Prick myself with this? Okay, so you apply this after you shampoo and you massage it from scalp to end. Add water, lather, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse abundantly. So this is for your hair. Ooh. There's that. And then I have this, which is, I think well, maybe not. Never mind. So I got this. Ooh. It's supposed to be part of the packaging? It looks really strange. I got the Prep Your Skin Pure Revival Peel. Ooh. Exfoliates even as it repairs. Prep your skin to a perfect canvas. That is so cute. So small. Okay, so let's see. Last but not least, this is what I was thinking about. So I think every month they give you like a sample perfume product to try out. So this month they have this fragrance, which is the Mon Paris Yves Saint Laurent fragrance. Oh my god, I'm breaking it. I think I did this right. So let's try this. Ooh. Mmm. Oh, I like that smell a lot. Scent. The smell that I get is like, it's definitely like a light musky smell. Well, I wouldn't say light. It's a little bit stronger than light, but it reminds me of a fragrance I've smelled before. I don't know what it is though. White diamond? No, it's not white diamond. I don't know. But if you're looking for a floral scent and a little bit of musk, this is definitely a good buy for you. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what I got today. I have the Belive hydrating cream, the Christoph Robin regenerating mask, the Smashbox, I want to say lip gloss. Let's call it lip gloss. I don't know what's what. I'm not very good with makeup. The Blink mascara. The Monterey perfume sample. And, and the Pure Revival Peel from Skin Inc. And then lastly, I got it all in this cute little bag that says lipsticks and chill. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos in the future. I will see you guys in the next video. Smooch. The screen is supposed to turn dark. Hang on. Here we go.